What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Mike, full-time Amazon media seller. A little bit of a different video today, but an important one. So we are going to give ourselves 10 minutes to scan for buyback companies, right? So we have these bulk pickups we do from libraries, estate sales. The question is it worth your time to scan all of the duds that you're not sending to Amazon or listing on eBay into a buyback software where you can get some pennies, quarters, maybe dollars if you're lucky on some of this? So I figured if we did it in 10 minutes, we would be able to kind of see how much you can make in an hour doing this, right? Because you can't waste time. If you can go scan more profitable items, you shouldn't waste your time scanning through your duds. So 10 minutes, we get a number, then we kind of can times that by 6, see what our hourly rate is. I've already scanned 3 books in. Those were customer returns. And I am using the Sell Back Your Book app, which is now like World of Books or whatever it is. So we're already at 64 cents for 3 books. It's not a lot of money. You guys still got to take this to FedEx. You still got to factor in that time as well. But I figured 10 minutes. I got a bunch of kids books I picked up from the estate sale. I got a bunch of leftovers from the library sale. However much we can get through in that time frame, that's kind of where we'll end up. If you're interested in making money selling media on Amazon, join the YouTube channel, private Discord, weekly live Zoom calls, go-to-lister software, discount for all members. Doesn't get any better. Without further ado, we're going to scan away. And if they do take something, I will tell you guys if they accepted it and how much they are going to give us for it. I have messed around with the app a little bit. This app does seem to be a lot better than the old Sell Back Your Book app. It kind of just keeps the scan going automatically. I don't mind that. So we'll see how it works out at the end of the journey here. Probably should start over here. Probably make my life a little bit easier if I just stack them to the right here as I go. 28 cents. $0.50. So I probably look for around at least a $40 per hour if I'm going to be doing this. 28 cents. You got to make it worth your time, but when you're brand new, you trade your time for money, right? Or if you don't have capital, you have to be trading your time for money. Now, somebody at my level where I have an established business, I don't have to waste as much time worrying about chasing the nickels, right? I'd rather just be out there scanning fresh inventory around the clock. So for me, this isn't something I usually do, but I thought it would make sense to do a video so you can kind of see how much they're taking, what they're paying, if it makes sense to kind of do this in your own business. They don't want Harry Potters. And whatever, they'll give you 50 cents for the Goblet of Fire. Whatever they don't take gets automatically redonated. And they don't want Big Nate. There's a bunch of Big Nates. They want this one though, 50 cents. You can be more organized than me as well. This is kind of a spur of the moment thing. 4 cents. Why would they like 4 cents? It's not even worth your time. Like, yeah, I got the box and I'm just throwing them in the box, but like, why would they waste their time buying something for 4 cents? It just makes no sense to me. It makes no sense to me. $1.23. Bedtime stories of Jewish values. That's a good one. So you need $7.50 to get free shipping. So that's what we are shooting for to get to, which I'm sure we will with all the books we have. It's just a matter of how much can you make per hour? Is it worth your hour to sit here and kind of scan all of these? It is pretty fast, I will say that. It's definitely a lot faster than the old app. I literally am just sitting here and it just scans 50 cents for dog diaries. Hopefully they take most of these. 50 cents for dog diaries. But they don't want that dog diary. Like, this is how fast it's scanning. If you just have everything stacked up, you kind of can just fly through everything. Because there is like a second between it actually scanning, so you can just keep your phone over the stack like I'm doing. And then just throw them in the keep pile or the no good pile. Diary of a Wimpy Kid, 8 cents. Come on. As you can see here, the kids' books are, a lot of them aren't being accepted, but I do have a whole pile of manga. Let me get my box situated a little bit. All right, manga time. Do they want the manga? Fairy tale manga. They don't want that one. Blue Exorcist. 89 cents for that one. 12 cents for this fairy tale. 12 cents for that fairy tale. 15 cents for that one. Don't want that one. Another Blue Exorcist here. 78 cents. 50 cents. 2 more mangas. Don't want that one either. And the last manga, don't want that one either. So we're currently at $8.11. I can't quite see what the timer is over there, but I'll check in a few minutes. So we're about half a box full. Another benefit to this is you don't have to weigh the box. So this goes right in my trunk. I get home, I print out the packing slip and the shipping label, take it down to the car, drop it off at FedEx. You usually get paid within like a week. I have it set up for PayPal, so it comes pretty fast via PayPal. So yeah, the payment's super easy. It's just a matter of, is this worth your time? You could argue both ways. For me, I usually don't do this. I scan for myself, and whatever I don't take goes back. Now, if it is disc media, it depends, because sometimes they'll pay more money. Like currently they're paying like 50 cents for every CD and DVD they were taking. Like, that is worth it. When I did that, I was making between like $40 and $60 an hour just scanning DVDs and CDs. And that was with the old app, which sucks in comparison to this one. So it probably would have been a lot higher with how easy it is to kind of just hold this over the barcodes and scan. What did that get? Blood ties. All right, we got blood ties. They wanted blood ties. I want that one. I want this one as well. I don't want that one. It's so weird how they just buy certain ones out of the set and they just don't buy all of them from the set. I mean, I guess it makes sense on their end, right? If you can be picky and kind of pick and choose what you get. Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. They don't want that either. Back on Big Nate. I guess Big Nate is saturated. And this person literally had every... Wait, they took this one for 50 cents. This is a little book set. Wasn't worth it for me. They gave $2 for that one. So that's the best one we got so far, is this 3 book set. The Ralph Mouse collection. So we are currently up to $11.65. Simple fast math already tells me that we are going to be above, if we're doing this for 10 minutes, we're already at 10 bucks. It's $1 a minute. We're already looking at $60 an hour. Which adds up, especially if you don't have the cash flow. All right, we're right at 10 minutes. So we're gonna go for like another minute here since I yapped for the first minute of this video. All right, let's go. Dog tags. Don't want. Don't want. Don't want. They don't want no dog tag books. Stinko. They don't want Stinko either. Avatar, The Last Airbender. No. Come on, you gotta want Avatar. No. No. Star Wars? No. Cheat codes. They don't want cheat codes either. Uh-oh, we're falling on hard times here. We can't get another accept. Alright, this feels like a nice book. You want it? Yes, 12 cents for the Bronze Key. They're not taking anything for the Thesaurus. That one is beat up. The Maze Runner books, they don't want that. SpongeBob. They don't want SpongeBob. More Maze Runner. The Lost, 50 cents for that one. The Wave Trilogy. You don't want that one. H.G. Wells' The Time Machine. I guess it's pretty cool that they have those like in the kids versions. All right. We will call it there. $12.27 for 10 minutes of scanning. I mean, listen, 60 bucks an hour, you're gonna get paid in a week. I think we all would sign up for that, right? So maybe I am leaving money on the table. All I challenge you on is, hey, if you can go to a store that's got fresh inventory and a cherry picker business, it's okay to realize I make $100 per hour scanning media versus $40 to $60 an hour scanning duds. Now, it's different strokes for different folks. As Johnny likes to say, everybody can run their business as they see fit, and I agree with that, but a lot of people that are in the bulk game, we got plenty of people over in the Discord, this is what they do. Everything they scan, they squeeze out every penny. And those of them that are watching this are probably like, yeah, scan all of this because it's all money back in your pocket and it's a much faster turnaround. So think about it this way. You're brand new, you only got 100, 200, 300 bucks to spend. You stumble into a free bulk pickup, you send all the stuff in, and then you get, you know, an extra $100 back from your duds. You have to do this in the beginning. This is how you pump cash into your business, and you just trade your time. And is it really that bad? I mean, it's 20 degrees out right now, but most of you are doing this at home. It's not like you're doing it outside like I am or in the storage unit. So yeah, it kind of sucks, but it's the cash, right? It's the money. You need money to continue to grow your business. This is kind of slept on because people don't realize the 20 cents adds up, right? Because nobody sits here and kind of breaks down the per hour. How many are you scanning? How many are you getting through? You could argue also that you're going to be a lot quicker than me because you're going to have everything stacked up nice and neat with the barcodes. You're not going to be recording a YouTube video. You're not going to be going over there to your box. You refine your processes and you grow your business in a way that's going to make you money. That's what matters in this, is getting smarter, being more efficient, making more money. So that's going to do it for the video. I appreciate you watching. That stack should stay for the time being. It'll probably fall after I end the video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more used book buyback media videos. Bye-bye.